What's up, guys? Husky Shane. So in today's video, we are going to be cleaning up some wiring and doing some different things to the Yeti build, the Toyota Tundra 2010. So stay tuned, guys. You're going to like this
anything negative, cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient.
Alright, so kind of like I said in the intro, we're going to be cleaning up our wiring a little bit. And what I mean by that is we're going to be building a battery delete for under the hood. Right, we've changed to lithium. This truck has had lithium in it for a long time. It's in the back. It's 100 something amp hours of yin long. I don't remember exactly how much. It's 1, 2, 3. It's 4 banks of 45 amp hours, so 180 amp hours, if my math is correct. Anyway, so when you run lithium, you don't need a AGM under the hood anymore. Not only do you not need it, you should not run it that way. So most people either just put a fuse block up there or they just run everything to the back. I like having my fuses and a distro block up there, and I know a lot of other people do too. So this video will show how I organized all of that and built a delete, if you will, that goes where the AGM battery used to go in the factory location. Here is the battery delete that is currently in there. Right, we got our fuse block up here that is in a previous video that I made, and here's our battery delete. It is just the top of a battery case, like an empty plastic battery case that I got on like Alibaba or something. I've got it self-tap screws into the sheet metal with a couple of little bus areas there. But I don't know, this looks kind of cheap and kind of flimsy, and you got this handle here. I don't know, it looks weird. It gets the job done for what it is, but I'm not super crazy about it. It just kind of got me through when I needed it. Here is what we're going to replace it with. All right, this is a piece of 3/4 inch, like ABS plastic, I think. I got it on Amazon. I ordered it this size, 3/4 inch by I think 13 inches. I don't know. I'll see if I can find the links to these things, and I'll share them in the video if I can find them. It's been sitting in my garage for a while, so it's kind of dusty. But then I got these bus bars, or links. Also got these on Amazon. I'll link to these as well, but that looks a lot cleaner. It's a lot sturdier. It just looks more like it's supposed to be there than that thing that is obviously a lid to a battery. So this is what we're going to replace it with, and these will give us more mounting posts. The one that's in there now only has 2. It only had 2 on the positive and 2 on the negative. This one will give us like 4 or 5 or 6 or so, I think. So you guys can see that this will give us a lot more mounting positions, clearly, right? We got, these have these little doors that you can pull out. Right, I haven't pulled them out of this one yet. That way you can run all your wires through there. Just gives us, 6 mounting posts instead of 2 like what's in there now. And it just looks better, I think. A little more professional. I don't know. Maybe I'm just using this as an excuse to do something, but I like this a lot better. So as you guys can see, these are almost the same size. This one is a little bit bigger, but man, does it look better, right? Like we had these two mounting posts here on this crappy looking lid with this positive and negative doing nothing. Or we have this, right? Very neat and tidy and professional looking. And I even get a little bit more room this way, which I do have available in the truck. So this just as a whole is going to be better. As you guys can see, I pre-drilled some mounting holes that we're going to use to just tap right into the sheet metal where that battery housing is. It is a pretty snug fit, but it actually fits pretty perfectly. I mean, corner to corner there. All right, we got our pre-drilled holes that we're going to go ahead and use some self-tappers to mount that to the truck, and then we can put our bus bars back on there. All right, well, that's pretty well. Let's back up a little bit. There we go. That's pretty well secured in there. I mean, pretty solid. Yeah, we can mount anything we want to that. So now we got to get the bus bars on there, and then it'll be ready to go. All right, so you guys get the idea, right? We got these two bus bars screwed into place now. I just got to run my power wires to them, and then put the covers on them, and we're good to go. And it's all done. Check it out. Nice, sturdy, covered. Those aren't going to short out on anything. Right, that thing is basically part of the truck now. I was able to clean this up too. I had a bunch of weird stray wires coming off the back of this, which I didn't really like, because then they ran into this. But I got all those routed down here now. Just much better. And it's clean, like it's waterproof, right? Like we got this plastic here too. So now I can detail my truck without having to worry about these wood panels swelling up. So, all right, well, that wasn't too bad, and I think it turned out pretty good. What do you guys think? Well, there you have it, guys. We got a new battery delete up under the hood. I just feel more comfortable with that one. And like I said, maybe I was just looking for something to do, but that just seems sturdier to me. Not so chintzy looking. I mean, it still doesn't look great, but I'm happy with it. I have bus bars under there that I really like. So we're just going to leave it like that, and I'm going to be happy with it. I don't have any MDF or anything under the hood anymore, so I can detail under my hood and not have to worry about that MDF getting ruined. So anyway, guys, I really appreciate you guys watching. And one of the channels I really like to watch is a guy called Bass Addict. And one thing he always says in his videos is, it does not cost you a thing to hit that thumbs up. So please help me out. Hit the thumbs up, like the video, share it, subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. And those of you that already watch my channel and are already subscribed, thank you, guys.
Out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big bucks, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top?